Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to be restoring this 1920s OTIS elevator call station. This button belongs to James, also known as I Hate Escalators. He sent this to me to restore for him. I want to be able to fix it up and wire it up so that when you push the button, it lights up. As you can see right now, it's falling apart. It's missing a screw up there. There's lots of paint on the sides, and the brass is very discolored. So I'm going to start off by cleaning off the paint on the sides and then getting some Brasso and getting to work. I'm going to be using Goof Off to get the paint off the sides. I did kind of chip away at it a bit here, but there's still a lot here, so we're going to have to bring out the Goof Off. Yeah, that took a lot of paint off, mainly on the sides. These are my two go-tos for cleaning brass. First over with Brasso and then bartender's friend. Look at that. Shiny. Alright, here's the final product. Look at that. Did my best I could to restore it. There's still a little bit of crust there, but that's from years and years of wear and tear. But, you know, wired it up. Yeah, it looks beautiful.